Hi, I'm Cassie Baker, Realtor with the George Group, and welcome home to 2022 Polk Street. This Creole Cottage is located in the historic Alexandria Garden District. At 1,783 square feet, it features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a center hall that runs the length of the house, with all of the main rooms accessible from that hallway. Bronze, Art Nouveau fireplace cover, working transoms, and a completely remodeled primary bathroom that features a clawfoot tub are some of the details that make this house a must-see. Thanks for touring 2022 Polk Street with me today. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, call or text me. I'd love to set that up for you.